crazy thing about these parks is these roads are really, you can really see the, for one, the spots in the road where the ground changes, but also just how radically, how the radical movement of the earth here affects the road, and things like that occur. I mean, how does that thing pop up without any notice? Pretty cool. I'm moving along. Nobody coming, so I'm going in my Nissan Armada, Matthew Schaefer. Okay, signing off. Well, looks like there's another thing right up here, so I might stay on. There's another pull-off for another viewing of something. So I might pull off here just to see. Ooh, it's a lava flow. And a crater. Lava flow, May 1993 lava flow from this crater. Holy crap and holy. 73, 19th. Oops, I'm driving off the road. Sorry, folks. From this crater. Okay, you probably couldn't see the crater. There wasn't a very good view of it, but it is the biggest crater I've seen so far. And I would say it's the size of, I don't know, Chesterfield Mall. See ya.